Good morning, children. Now, today we will do honeysuckle, okay? Grammar nearly over. So, this today we are starting. Page number, all of you open your honeysuckle, page 82. Page 82. Okay, this is about English, about language, Bhasha, okay? The wonderful words. Now imagine a world without language. If there is no language, how will we talk? All humans speak at least one language. All of us speak one language, no? English or Gujarati or Hindi, any language, we should know one language. Yeah? The words we speak bring out our thoughts, what we are thinking. How somebody will know આપણે શું વિચારીએ છીએ કેમ ખબર પડે? By our words. Read the following poem on words. Never let a thought shrivel and die. That means if you have any thought, don't let the thought die. You have to speak out. For want of a way to say. That means you don't know how to say. If you don't have a language, how will you say what you are thinking? For English is a wonderful game. English is a wonderful game. It is a nice language. And all of you can play it. All of you, all of us can play it. And that you do is match the words. You have to match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head. Whatever thoughts you are having in your mind, that you have to bring out. So that they come out clear and true. How will the thoughts come clear? If your language will be good. Barabar? If you are able to explain and handsomely groomed and fed. Nicely we have groomed, we have decorated our thoughts, nicely we are bringing out the thoughts. For many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. Many lovely things people have not said because they don't have language. Words are the food and dress of thought. Thought એટલે વિચાર. What is the food of thought? Food and dress of thought is food. Words are the food and dress. Okay, we also need no food, we need clothes. Like that, for thoughts also there should be food and dress. They give it its body and swing. They give it its body and swing. That means by body language also we can show, we can talk. And everyone is longing today to hear. Everyone wants to hear. બધાને સાંભળવું છે. What? Some fresh and beautiful thing. But only words can free a thought. If you are having a thought, how it will come out? By your words also to free થાય ને? But from its prison behind your eyes. Behind our eyes there are thoughts. Thoughts ક્યાં હોય? Behind our eyes. Maybe your mind is holding now. Maybe in your mind there are some thoughts. વિચાર હોય ને, સાંજે રમવા જવું છે, ફટાફટ let me finish my PDF, એવું બધું હોય. That a marvelous new surprise. You'll get a beautiful new surprise. Now children, this I will give you PDF. Listen to me. This you have to learn 8 lines. 8 lines learn કરવાની પોયમની જેટલી બી મેડમ શીખાડે બધાયની. Okay, all poems here I fill for you. And tomorrow is Tuesday, and you know na you are having a test, 20 marks CW test, grammar. I have given the portion already, and today also I have sent you. બધાને મોકલ્યું છે, જોઈ લેજો અને start reading, learning. If you have not copied, copy from your friends books. બધા કોપી કરી લેજો. વાલીઓ પ્લીઝ એ લોકોને PDF ઉતરાવજો. કાલે ટેસ્ટ છે. And children, everybody listen properly. You have to write the full questions. Grammar છે આ. Don't write the answer. એકલા answer હશે I will put zeros. Fill in the blanks છે then also full you have to write. Okay? Because this is language. આખું પેપર એમને એમ લખવાનું. અને marking. As I have marked in the paper, paper ma mark hase aam. See, all of you see. For example, fill in the blanks. Example છે. In the blanks. Okay. So you also have to write this heading લખવાના બધાએ. Okay. Here and then here you will write question number 1. Now A is there. So number answer 1. Then you have to copy full આખું ઉતારવાનું and then fill in the blank. 2, 3, 4. One question over. Leave 2 lines. Then question B. Heading લખો. Then start. Okay, like this you will do the full paper. Question paper છે એવી જ રીતે answer paper જોઈએ. Okay, side marks you want to write, you can write. First question is I think 4 marks. Now 4 લખો. Then how many you get that I will write. Okay. Chalo, all the best and bye all of you.